Have you ever felt so alone that it seemed like no one truly understands you? Those silent tears falling when no one is watching, the fears you keep deep inside. I want to tell you that you are never alone. There is a great love, a warm presence that always surrounds you, wherever you are, no matter what pain, fear, or doubt you carry. Today I invite you to step into a message of perfect peace, where you are welcomed just as you are, with all your truth, no need to pretend or hide. Let that peace soak into every corner of your soul, warming and healing every wound. You are seen, understood, and deeply loved more than anyone could imagine. Every tear, every hidden fear, every unspoken prayer is held safely in His hands. Don't keep those feelings to yourself. Bring them to Him honestly. He is not intimidated by your questions, doubts, or wounds. He waits with open arms. Life sometimes leads you through trials that seem impossible to overcome. But remember, no wound is too deep for His healing. The difficulties and pauses that feel like delays are actually His way of preparing and protecting you. Don't lose heart when the path ahead looks unclear, because behind it is a perfect plan made just for you. His restoration is not only for your soul, but also for your health, finances, and relationships. What once felt broken or lost will be made whole again. Joy will return, and you will feel the heavy burdens lift from your shoulders. Place your trust and walk on the path He leads, even if it is unfamiliar. In those steps, you will find new opportunities and blessings beyond your imagining. You are not alone, and you will never be abandoned. You are marked by eternal love, a living proof of healing and hope. When you feel tempted to go back to past pain, remember you are renewed, free, and filled with light. Let that joy overflow to touch others and be a witness to His power. Let Him be the place you return to when you are weary, the strength that lifts you when you stumble. Don't hesitate to bring Him all your weaknesses, doubts, and fears. He does not reject you, but patiently welcomes every small step you take. You don't have to carry your burdens alone anymore. It is time to step into a new life, filled with peace, hope, and miracles. Hold fast to your faith, knowing better days lie ahead. If this message touched your heart, please hit the like button to help spread hope to more people. Leave a comment below to share your story or your thoughts about this video. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more meaningful messages that help you find strength and peace every day. Thank you for joining and listening. Peace and love be with you always.